Alright, we're teeing off here on the par 4. We hit it a little right. Unfortunately, we're going to have some tree trouble here, I believe. Let's see where we ended up. Oh, we are in the tree, but we're going to have to chip it out into the fairway. Great little chip. That's going to leave us with under 100 yards. Sand wedge in hand. Nice little swing there. Over the bunkers, onto the green. We've got about 7 feet for par. It's a tough putt here, left to right. Oh, we just missed it. 2-footer for the bogey, and that's in the hole.